name is Olakiitan Bolu Agbaje. Yes, we are the legal counsels and representatives of the Raheem family. I am from the Honorable Chambers of Mr. Femi Falana, and I have to say that today justice has been delivered. The incident of the 25th of December 2022 would always and forever remain a tragedy to the Raheem family because it altered a lot of lives. The life of the deceased, the life of her husband, the life of her daughter, and the life of several other people that loved her. However, justice has been served. Within the period of 10 months, the Honorable Justice Harrison has been able to deliver her judgment and has been able to ensure that justice has been brought to the forefront because the accused now has been given a sentence and he has been committed to death by hanging. And we are quite, we believe that this is a step to pushing the effect on the family members, because at the end of the day, justice has been ensured, and every person knows that if you commit a crime, there is a consequential result, which is the punishment towards that crime. Thank you.
What's the level of satisfaction of the family that you represent?
For the family, they know that their loved one cannot be brought back, but they also know that the person that ensured that she was killed, unfortunately, is behind bars. And ultimately, the punishment delivered by the courts will be given to him. So for them, they are satisfied with that. So I can say.
Your name again?
My name is Olakiitan Bolu Agbaje. Thank you.